Entrepreneurship Crash Course, Ideation and Opportunity Recognition. Chapter 1, Introduction to Ideation and Opportunity Recognition. Welcome to the Entrepreneurship Crash Course on Ideation and Opportunity Recognition. In this chapter, we will dive into the exciting world of generating business ideas and recognizing opportunities. We will explore the importance of creativity, market analysis, and problem solving in the ideation process. Through engaging stories and examples, we will inspire you to think outside the box and discover potential opportunities in various industries. Story 1, The Success of Airbnb. One of the most remarkable examples of ideation and opportunity recognition is the story of Airbnb. It all began when the founders, Chesky and Joe Gebbia, faced financial challenges and realized they could leverage their spare space to accommodate people attending a conference. They set up air mattresses in their living room and provided breakfast for their guests. This simple idea later transformed into a global hospitality phenomenon, connecting travelers with unique accommodations worldwide. The founders recognized an opportunity in the market, disrupted the traditional hotel industry, and became billionaires in the process. Story 2, The Rise of Uber. Another fascinating story of opportunity recognition is the rise of Uber. The founders, Travis Kalanick and Garrett Camp, identified a problem in the transportation industry: the inconvenience of hailing a taxi and the lack of reliable transportation options. They saw the potential of using technology to connect drivers with riders and revolutionize the way people travel. Through their innovative app, Uber was born, offering a convenient and efficient transportation solution. Today, Uber is a global phenomenon, disrupting the traditional taxi industry and transforming the way we commute. Chapter 2, Techniques for Ideation and Opportunity Recognition. In this chapter, we will explore various techniques and approaches to generate creative and innovative business ideas. These techniques will help you identify and evaluate opportunities in the market, enabling you to make informed decisions and pursue ventures with high potential. Top 12 Ideation and Opportunity Recognition Techniques. 1. Brainstorming, a classic technique that encourages free-flowing idea generation in a group setting. It allows for diverse perspectives and stimulates creativity. 2. Market analysis, conducting thorough research and analysis of the market to identify gaps, trends, and potential opportunities. 3. Problem solving, identifying problems or pain points in the market and developing solutions to address them. Understanding customer needs and wants is crucial in this process. 4. Trend analysis, keeping up with industry trends and consumer behavior to identify emerging opportunities. This involves studying market research, consumer insights, and industry reports. 5. Customer feedback, actively seeking feedback from potential customers to understand their pain points and preferences. This can be done through surveys, interviews, or focus groups. 6. Observational research, observing consumer behavior and interactions to uncover unmet needs and opportunities. This can involve observing how people use existing products or services and identifying areas for improvement. 7. Networking, engaging with industry experts, entrepreneurs, and professionals to gain insights and identify potential collaborations. Networking can provide valuable connections and open doors to new opportunities. 8. Idea combining, bringing together different concepts or technologies to create unique and innovative ideas. This involves connecting dots from various industries or fields to create something new. 9. Problem validation, testing the feasibility and market potential of an idea by seeking validation from potential customers or conducting pilot studies. This helps in assessing if there is a demand for the proposed solution. 10. Competitive analysis, studying the competition to identify their strengths and weaknesses, and to find opportunities where you can differentiate and offer unique value to customers. 11. SWOT analysis, assessing the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats related to your business idea. This analysis helps in understanding the internal and external factors that can impact your venture. 12. Prototype development, creating a prototype or minimum viable product, MVP, to test and validate your idea. This allows you to gather feedback and make necessary iterations before fully launching your product or service. Summarization. In this Entrepreneurship Crash Course, we explored the exciting world of ideation and opportunity recognition. We witnessed how visionary entrepreneurs like Airbnb and Uber identified unmet needs and disrupted established industries. By employing various techniques such as brainstorming, market analysis, and problem solving, these entrepreneurs turned their ideas into successful ventures. Ideation is a creative process that requires an open mind, curiosity, and a deep understanding of the market and customer needs. Through research, observation, and customer feedback, entrepreneurs can discover potential opportunities and refine their ideas. The evaluation of the market, competition, and trends is essential in assessing the viability and potential success of a business idea. Remember, entrepreneurship is not just about coming up with ideas, it's about recognizing opportunities, taking calculated risks, and executing them effectively. Embrace the journey of ideation and opportunity recognition, and let your entrepreneurial spirit soar. Poem, Unleashing the Entrepreneur Within. In the realm of dreams, where ideas are born, entrepreneurs emerge, their spirits torn, they seek the spark, the visionary fire, to turn their dreams into a world inspired. Innovative minds with endless curiosity, exploring realms of uncharted opportunity, they breathe life into ideas, both big and small, ready to conquer challenges, standing tall. Brainstorms crackle, ideas intertwine, fueling the flame of creation, so divine, from the depths of their minds, visions take flight, guided by intuition, shining bright. Market analysis reveals hidden cues, trends and gaps, waiting to amuse, observing customers, needs in plain sight, uncovering opportunities, shining light. Networking connects souls on the same path, collaboration, a symphony of shared wrath, through validation and prototyping with care, entrepreneurs refine their dreams, aware. With SWOT analysis and competitive gaze, they navigate challenges, through the maze, ideas combined, like colors on a canvas, creating masterpieces, bold and boundless. In this crash course, we've journeyed far, unleashing the entrepreneur that you are. With ideation and opportunity recognition, you'll thrive in the world of innovation. Song, The Entrepreneur's Anthem. Verse 1, In the realm of dreams, where possibilities reside, entrepreneurs emerge, with passion as their guide. Ideas ignite, like flames that burn so bright, they seek the path of opportunity, day and night. Chorus, Unleash the entrepreneur within, let the journey of ideation begin. Through brainstorming and market exploration, we'll shape our dreams, a transformation. Verse 2, From Airbnb to Uber, success stories unfold, opportunity recognized, their stories told. We'll learn from their examples, bold and grand, and carve our own path in this entrepreneurial land. Chorus, Unleash the entrepreneur within, let the journey of ideation begin. Through brainstorming and market exploration, we'll shape our dreams, a transformation. Bridge, with open minds and hearts, we'll innovate, seeking solutions, never hesitate. Trends and analysis guide our way, as we seize opportunities, day by day. Chorus, Unleash the entrepreneur within, let the journey of ideation begin. Through brainstorming and market exploration, we'll shape our dreams, a transformation. Outro, start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8 = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our NHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.